This is Sophie's attempt at rowing the boat.
Where are we going to go? Up that way?
That way, straight. On the Rocky Balboa. we're going in a nice straight line here. Going round the park. Go that way, because otherwise the sun. No.
No, wrong one.
No, that one. Which way should it... Yeah, thank you very much. After all the grief you gave me.
That way.
Yeah. Now row.
Go off, because you'll get wet.
I didn't wet you, and you...
No, but you've given up the oars now.
Oh, I've given up the oars.
Watch, you don't run into anyone, mind, please.
You're gonna run in. Go that way, a little. Yep, that's it. They're stuck. She's figuring out which way the oar should go. Now she's turning towards us like an idiot. Where are you going? Go this way. Go that way.